The Polari Project is happy to bring you the 2017 HIV/AIDS Awareness Days. Annual Awareness Days help to educate the public in general and specific groups in particular about HIV/AIDS. Since the virus affects people from all walks of life, awareness days have increased over the years. Mark these days on your calendar and help to promote them. February 7th is National African, Caribbean and Black Canadian HIV/AIDS Awareness Day. The goal is to get people educated, involved, tested and treated. The African, Caribbean and Black Canadian HIV/AIDS Awareness Day will help raise awareness of HIV and contribute to addressing HIV-related stigma in Canada's African, Caribbean and Black communities. This commemorative day is inspired by the National Black HIV/AIDS Awareness Day that has been observed in the U.S. on February 7th every year since 1999. March 20th is National Native HIV/AIDS Awareness Day. This day honoring Native Indian is observed each year at the start of spring and is intended to empower these groups to get tested and bring HIV/AIDS awareness to their communities. To engage those under age 25 on the topic of HIV/AIDS, this Awareness Day was started in 2013. Youth are important to ending the epidemic. On April 10th, youth are encouraged to tweet, host events, get tested for HIV and set up tables on school campuses to educate others. April 18th is National Transgender HIV Testing Day. The available though incomplete data about transgender people living with HIV/AIDS show that the virus disproportionately affects this community. This Awareness Day inspires transgender and gender non-binary people to get tested. It focuses on learning about current and future options for prevention and treatment. May 18th is HIV Vaccine Awareness Day. Thousands of volunteers, community members, health professionals and scientists are working to create a safe, effective and affordable HIV vaccine. This day showcases the progress of the work so far, the importance of the research being conducted and how others can contribute. The goal is to one day have an AIDS-free generation both nationally and globally, which, with continued preventive and therapeutic vaccine research, is within our reach. May 19th is National Asian and Pacific Islander HIV/AIDS Awareness Day. The Banyan Tree Project founded this Awareness Day in 2005. Through education and storytelling, this national social marketing campaign has worked to create environments that are accepting of Asians and Pacific Islanders living with HIV/AIDS. The International AIDS Candlelight Memorial is on May 20th, coordinated by the Global Network of People Living with HIV as one of the world's oldest and largest grassroots mobilization campaigns for HIV awareness in the world. June 5th honors all who identify as long-term survivors of HIV. June 5, 1981, marks the first official reporting of what would come to be known as the AIDS epidemic. For those still alive who contracted the virus at the beginning of the epidemic, things have greatly changed. This day reminds them they are still important. June 8th is National Caribbean-Born HIV/AIDS Awareness Day. HIV prevalence in the Caribbean is the second highest globally after sub-Saharan Africa. June 27th is National HIV Testing Day. Getting tested allows people to know their status so they can learn how to stay negative or get treatment if they test positive to help prevent further spreading the virus. August 28th is National Faith HIV/AIDS Awareness Day. HIV/AIDS affects all faiths across Canada. Global health groups have called on religious leaders to capitalize on the trust of their followers and use their power to help end the epidemic. Religion can help heal those living with and affected by HIV/AIDS. This National Day is being launched this year in an effort to raise awareness about the importance of HIV education, prevention, supporting love within faith communities. The goal is to bring together Muslims, Christians, Jews, Buddhists, Hindus and members of other religions to fight HIV/AIDS. September 18th is National HIV/AIDS and Aging Awareness Day. This group has the same HIV risk factors as younger people but may be less aware of them. Get involved by hosting free HIV screening events, encouraging HIV testing among older adults and hosting events at senior centers and nursing home facilities. September 27th is National Gay Men's HIV/AIDS Awareness Day. HIV/AIDS continues to play a major role in the lives of gay and bisexual men. The purpose of this National Awareness Day is to get individuals tested so that those who are positive can get on treatment, remain healthy and reduce the likelihood of transmitting the virus to their partners. October 5th is AIDS Cure Awareness Day. AIDS Cure Awareness Day encourages others to organize teach-ins on AIDS cure research and activism across Canada and the world. October 15th is National Latino AIDS Awareness Day to reach Latino Hispanic communities, promote HIV testing, and provide HIV prevention information and access to care. December 1st is World AIDS Day is an opportunity for people worldwide to unite in the fight against HIV, show their support for people living with HIV and to commemorate people who have died.